Hello dear friends, this is Sharon from DoveProxy. After you finish buy and get proxy information you need from Dove, you can use our DoveProxy right now. Today, I will show you how to set up DoveProxy on your Android mobile phones. Firstly, you open the website by clicking this website, and then you click the resources. Find the mobile instructions and click this button. Now we come to the interface. We click Android button and see here how to use. We click the drop-down box. There are two methods to set up. One is basic API and one is download app. Method 1, we will see how to set up through a basic API. We click. You open your device, find the settings, and go to Wi-Fi. And then you type the name of the Wi-Fi network you are connected and set up the Wi-Fi. Now we set up the Wi-Fi. You scroll to the bottom and you will find the HTTP proxy section. The default setting is off. Set it to manual and click Modify Network. And then you select Manual and enter the proxy settings right now. You input the proxy host name, fill in the server address obtained by Dove, proxy port, fill in the port number obtained by Dove, and then you click Save to get started. Please note that our service cannot be used in China mainland. If you need any help, please contact us for customer support. Okay, now we see the second method, download app. Before we start the download app setup, firstly, we need to download the app. We click Resources, and here you can see the download, and click the Android app. Okay, now you click this button to download Android app. Okay, after you download and install the Android app on your Android mobile phones, you can see this DoveProxy logo right here. It means that you installed the app successfully. Okay, now you click this logo. Okay, after you download and install the Android app, then you open the app and select the rules by clicking the upper left button to add a rule. Match method, we choose match all. Rule, we choose proxy tunnel. There's no need to change other items. Then we click Save button. And now we click the upper left button, select proxy. Now we set the proxy information. Username, you fill in DoveProxy username. Password, you fill in DoveProxy password. IP type, we choose mobile proxy. Accurate, we choose access by country. Country code, you fill in the country code and you can click View the country code button here to view and get the country code you need. City code, this is not necessary. Accurate, you select whether to specify IP. Self-IP is optional. You can fill in the specified IP. Time, you fill in the IP duration you need, from 1 to 35 minutes. After setting up, please click Request IP button. If it shows Request IP succeed, and then we click VPN on button, and then you can retire the application without closing it. Next, you open the browser to verify whether the IP address has changed or not. If so, you can see the IP and the location here. Then the proxy now is successful. Congratulations! Dear friend, DoveProxy is worth for you to try. Please contact us for a free traffic package to try by clicking this website in the description below. You have access to get contacts to find us for more DoveProxy information. Thank you very much for watching our tutorial video. It's greatly appreciated for you to subscribe to our YouTube at DoveProxy and review our videos below. Your feedback is a great encouragement for us to show more and better content. You can also let us know what you want to know about DoveProxy. Welcome to leave us a message and review about our video. Thank you. See you next time.